American Cancer Society.
I support the American Cancer Society for my mother,
for my dad,
my father-in-law,
my grandpa,
my aunt,
my mother-in-law,
for my grandma. I love you.
6 weeks after our third child was born, my wife was diagnosed with cancer. We were really in a bind. But then we heard about the Hope Lodge. It gave her time to heal, and mentally, there were supportive people there going through the same things. They shared stories, shared food, just whatever you can do to help each other. I donate money every week to the Hope Lodge, just that opportunity to give back to this organization that was there when I needed it.
Wear pink, save lives.
Wear pink.
Wear pink.
Save lives.
Save lives. Help us support the